2008 में मेरा गांव में माइंस शुरू हो गई।
अधिकतर लोगों का घर जमीन के अंदर चला गया था। ये मेरी आंखों का घटना, खुद हम देखे हुए थे।
दौड़ के हम लोग सब घर से भागो भागो भागो, जान बचाई यहाँ धस रहा है करके।
3 या 4 साल बाद यहाँ कोई आदमी नहीं बचेगा, ना कोई जानवर बचेगा, रहने लायक कुछ नहीं बचा है। इस गांव में हम लोग 4 परिवार बचे हैं, चारों हम लोग यहाँ रहते हैं।
Beneath the soil of Jharkhand lies a treasure, coal, that once powered the engines of industrial India. But this wealth comes with a price paid not in money, but in lives, homes, forests, and health. The story began during the British era, when vast reserves of coal were discovered in Dhanbad. The British expanded mining aggressively, laying rail tracks, building colonies, and digging deeper into the earth. Coal became power, but the people who lived on this land, the Adivasis, the villagers, became invisible in the story of progress. Decades later, not much has changed. The blasts still echo through the valleys, shaking walls, breaking roofs, and scattering memories that families built over generations. Each explosion is more than just a sound, it's a reminder of what's lost. The earth trembles, cracks appears on wall, and the people living closest to the mines are forced to move again and again. Entire villages have shifted, some more than once. Houses once surrounded by trees and farmlands now stand beside heaps of coal dust. Children play on grounds layered with ash, while their parents worry about the next blast that might take away their roof. Families who depended on farming now struggles for daily wages. Displacement doesn't just take away land, it takes away identity, belonging, and peace. The promise of compensation or rehabilitation rarely matches what they had, a life connected to their soil and community. Mining doesn't only displace people, it seeps into their lungs, their water, their food. Beyond the human loss lies another silent victim, nature itself. The water that once sparkled in village ponds now run dark and lifeless. Toxic minerals from mine pits seeps into rivers and wells, polluting the only sources people depend on for drinking, farming, and daily life.
50 या 60 परिवार थे, उसमें से अभी हम लोग 4 परिवार बसे हुए हैं।
Forests that once sheltered wildlife are being cut down to expand mines. Each tree lost adds to the suffocating air and rising heat, and beneath it all layers a coal dust and chemical waste poison the soil, making the land barren, the crop weak, and the earth itself sick. Yet there is hope. Across Jharkhand and India, voices are rising for sustainable mining, practices that protect workers, restore land, and ensure fair rehabilitation for displaced families. Cleaner technologies, strict waste management, and reforestation are steps toward a more balanced future. Mining has built cities, powered industries, and fueled dreams. But true progress will only begin when every life affected by it finds justice, health, and home again. Because no development is complete if it displaces humanity.